Just here in LA. I've just pulled up to the Beverly Center. I'll show you some shots of how it looks. But this is like the largest shopping center they've got here or something, I think, from what I've seen online. But yeah, I've had the most horrific start to my trip here. Like, the weather's just ruined everything, but I'm trying not to let it spoil the trip. I'll have to explain what happened yesterday, because yesterday was just a fucking nightmare. But yeah, it's Monday now, the morning's just started. I'm gonna try and get some food in me, and hopefully it can lift the spirit, because I haven't eaten anything since like 5 p.m. yesterday, and it's like 10 a.m. now. I haven't got anything like overly planned for this trip. I'm just gonna be doing a lot of shopping, eating good food, and just seeing the sights. Obviously link up with my boys as well, Shek and Sharif, who are out here, and a few others as well. By the way, I've got a new microphone and camera as well, so hopefully you guys can hear the audio a lot better. I know some people were commenting saying the audio was a bit off in the videos and I need a mic. Well, now I've got a mic, and it's this one, by the way. Yesterday at the airport, the flight was like half an hour delayed. The terminal we were flying into closed. So then they had to get a bus and reroute all the flight, everyone from the flight, to another terminal. But the weather was so bad, there was only one bus. So all in all, it took 2.5 hours to get off the plane and then to immigration. Immigration, the line was huge because I was a backup. And then, listen to this. My taxi driver left because I was taking so long, which I already prepaid for. I had to get a bus to another location, where you can get Ubers. And then I was getting an Uber, and then it was like a weather warnings in LA, like storms, flash floods, etc. It was so bad yesterday. I was trying to get an Uber, which ended up costing about $120, which is an absolute joke. And by the time I got home, it was like 11 p.m. I was so tired, I went to bed. I'm trying my best not to ruin my trip, even though the weather's so bad. The weather's meant to be like this for the next 3 or 4 days. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up here, and then I need to go buy an umbrella from Bloomingdale's, because I need an umbrella for weather like this. And then I might go to Erewhon and get some more food. And then for lunch, I'm going to go to Dave's Hot Chicken, which apparently is really good, and it's hot, so I've just pulled up to Dave's Hot Chicken to have an early lunch because I'm starving, and that acai bowl I had was dead. 2 slider burgers or something like that, and then a couple of tenders, because my sister said the tenders here are really good, and I just some water. I definitely won't get to it, but we'll give it a go. Also, the weather is so bad, it's just ruining everything, the experience. I managed to get an umbrella from CVS. I went to Macy's, I went to Bloomingdale's, I went to Target, and I went to TJ Maxx. All of them had no umbrellas, all sold out, and I was just walking from like block to block, avenue to avenue, and getting drenched and soaked. My hair is a fucking mess, but we move.
Any ketchup or honey?
Some honey would be great. Thank you very much. No, it's mad. Crazy. I definitely will not be able to finish this. But there's 2 sliders here. I thought it was just the one. On my days. That's actually really spicy. Fucking hell. These tenders come with bread as well. I don't know what I'm meant to do with that. I ain't having more bread though. Oh, slap it. It's way too much to go left from it. Right. I'm trying to eat as much as I can. See what I want. This is literally just like London weather. I basically brought London with me. Oh god, fucking hell. There's nothing I'm looking for in particular. I'm probably gonna go grab the smoothie and then maybe some snacks or like a cookie if they've got something like that. Right, so much. Oh my goodness, man. They're fruits and veg. Protein? Anything? Crazy. This is their cafe section. This is incredible. Fruit salads and stuff. Smoothies, drinks, juices. Oh, this shit's lit. Hi there. Can I have the strawberry skin smoothie takeaway? Thank you so much. I'm not, no. Mush. M-U-S-H. Thank you. Oh, that's okay. Thank you. We just left Erewhon and I've got the strawberry skin glaze. That one that Hailey Bieber did. Bro, this shit was $18. And I've seen some crazy reviews. So I thought I'll give it a go. It does look pretty appetizing. Also in there, hopefully you got some footage. Basically it reminds you of, in the UK we have this thing called Waitrose, and it's like Waitrose but like probably like 10 times nicer. There's loads of like their own like their own brand stuff, and it seems like it's like organic and their own grown products, but yeah, the layout and stuff is just crazy. It reminds me of like I said, a Waitrose, but realistically it's probably like more of like a Harrods groceries kind of section. But yeah. Very sweet. I can taste almond milk. Shit's OD. Yeah, we're just at Chrome, waiting in the rain. But yeah, I've got an appointment at 2, so I'm just waiting to go in. Never been to the LA one, so we'll see what one. I can't film in here, by the way, so I'm gonna put my camera away. Alright, but.
You know, I drift whenever I go around corners and shit.
Yeah.
And my tire keeps going flat.
Is it easy to drift in this?
Super good ramp trap. Maxfields, and then anywhere else you want to shop?
Yeah, and then the cool. They've got 2 stores, right?
Yeah, but one's a sneaker store, one's
I bet.
But yeah, bro. The Malibu cone is pretty cool too.
What, the store?
It's an interesting camera.
Yeah, it's
Smallish.
yeah, no, it's like apparently like the best vlogging camera. Shoots in 4K as well. Ooh. Which one is it? That one over there? Do you have to do an appointment or is it good? Is it an appointment in it?
Only like one. Oh, we also could go H.
Oh yes, yes, yes. H. Lorenzo, I've seen their stock. They've got Elliot Emil in there and stuff. Big link ups only. This last year has just been mad. Our link ups this past year is crazy.
Yeah. Huh? You said what? Oh, because there's somebody left that are on green.
Putting up to Maxfields, bruh.
This is nuts. If these zippers were in like buttons, this might have been a go, bro. Look at this.
Reminds you of like Moncler, but like higher end, better. Oh, there's some leaks here as well. You fuck with the leaks? Oh shit, they got Fug Club here as well, bro. They got Fug Club here. Fug Club? Fug Club. So this is like, it's a brand out of Korea, South Korea. And it's like, yeah, they're doing on crazy shit at the moment. It's hard to get their pieces actually. Oh yeah, there's no like structure to it. that's too far.
If they were all black.
I mean, Balenciaga do a pair. They're called, I think they're called Destroyers. But that's
Namesake.
yeah. Has he gone to check your size or? What's the store called again?
The real.
The Real. What is it? Oh, Loewe. Looks massive though. Yeah, it looks fucking huge.
Guess how much?
1,500.
I say 9. Most dead wrong.
How much is it?
3 bands.
I'm good.
Yeah. There was a pair of these in Tokyo for $300 and I passed. That's
Oh, bro, you
That's
should have
a-
bought that. Bro, I've had mine for 2 years and they look the same.
Yeah.
I've beat them to death. They still look
These
the
were the
same.
rigs for the it was actually a ring
Oh, okay.
This, me and Jamal one time saw this for sale in Tokyo for $3,700.
Oh, the LV Letterman.
Yeah, and retail is like 6 bands, and I think they're selling it for 7. A little tacky, but it's like a big money.
Yeah.
like
I prefer you.
So that Virgil jacket is on sale.
Is it? The
3850.
this one, 3,800.
3850.
A gang.
Probably worth trying on.
Damn. You're not wrong. Tokyo in October, and I was at a store that had this exact one, or not this exact one. It was like the blue one with the collar. and it was 3,800.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the blue one. It's, so this one's just good on the market.
That Bottega, that's
The best.
yeah.
I can check that for you.
Is it XL?
I mean, it fits you.
Yeah, that's great.
It goes with the pants as well.
For me, I always felt like LV.
It's a little. I mean, it's maybe a little small, but it's.
I mean, cause yeah, for me, I always thought like the body of the LV jackets were cool, but it was the sleeve. They're always like, even if you get a big size, it's they're like tight or like they're skinny.
It might be the leather over time. It
So
just
then, yeah, but this is
shrinks. Oh shit. Okay.
This one is 30% off the thing, so 11.72.
I told you. Damn, that's
2,500 less retail.
yeah, but that's what a third of the price.
Yeah, this is a V800, so it's got the 800 upgrade on it. It's got 800 horsepower.
Holy shit!
Yep.
I didn't know you guys had horsepower.
Oh, yeah.
So what's the? I know the. And where do you guys normally get the body kits from?
From Brabus in Germany. Correct. We're the number one retailer.
Bro, if anyone knows Platinum Motorsport, this is like the notorious for doing like the best body kits, the best car maintenance is done here. Bro, it's actually mad. It's a blessing to be here. They're really cool as well. We just told them we were coming through, and they were like, "Yeah, pull up." Bro, look at this Lambo. Bro, it's crazy. And then there's just like a Rolls here, just chilling. Ghost. Bro, I don't know what to say. Just don't know what to say. Bro, they've just got fucking cars for days. Swap the vet out.
Swap
both
and I couldn't even afford the kit, let alone the car. Because you have to buy the car, then get the kit.
Yeah, okay, but inshallah. Which one would you get out of the two of them?
I think the blue is a little too Dubai-like.
Yeah, I was about to say. I do like this one though. This reminds me of that Audi, that Nardo grey that they do.
That's the color Shrek has.
The Nardo grey. It's such a nice color.
Oh, and they have a Trackhawk. We're talking about Trackhawk today.
Oh shit.
I don't like the tan though. I don't think.
You know why, right? Huh? You know why I like Trackhawks?
Why?
Cardi.
Oh yeah.
yeah, sure.
But he has one of these too, right? A white one.
Yeah, he does.
With the kit.
Yeah. You know,
Little baby does too.
have you seen that? Have you seen his that song he did called Evil Jordan?
Oh what?
Evil Jordan. Playboy Carti.
No, never.
So basically, he got the back of that, of the G-Wagon, and he used it as like a Captain America shield.
Oh, I saw that.
It's great.
It came out recently.
Yeah, trust. If anyone's watching this video, watches like Kai, Levi or Jet, this is where I heard of Platinum Motorsport, through here, through them. They get their cars done here, and this is kind of how I heard of it. Brazier. Day 2 here, actually technically day 3 in LA, and the weather is shocking to say the least. Which is what they're famous for. And also we've got vanilla bean latte, which is what the waitress recommended. I spilt some, so that's awkward. back at Erewhon again. I'm literally coming here every day. The food's just too delicious. I got a smoothie again and I also got a chocolate chip cookie. But yeah, the weather's still so bad. I think it's meant to like dry up hopefully by Wednesday. But it is what it is. I'm basically just sick, but there you go. I made another shopping appointment at Chrome. I really want the hoodie, but they don't have any in stock at the moment. Well, they do in white, but I don't want to buy a white one. So I'm hoping if I go back today, they might have some more stock. If not, it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know what other plans we have for the day because the weather's so bad, but I'll figure it out.
Get a chocolate chip and then pick another one.
Bro, my favorite cookies are probably like coconut, but I don't think they have any coconut.
Maybe this one.
Okay. Good, thank you.
Can we get one chocolate chunk? Okay. You want a snickerdoodle?
Yeah, go on.
And then one snickerdoodle as well. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, thank you.
I'll let you try the snickerdoodle first.
No.
These are not warm like Bristol Farms.
Room temperature, yeah?
Yeah. You could ask them to warm it up, but it gets too fucking hot.
It's called Beverly Hills Cookies. What's snickerdoodle meant to be? Is it meant to be coconut?
No, I thought it was a British thing.
What, snickerdoodle? Nah, it's definitely US.
Cinnamon.
Ha!
You fuck with it?
Ah, fuck with that.
Beverly Hills cookie. My favorite cookie from them is the snickerdoodle. It's really good.
Fuck. I can't believe I said Levan Bakery is the best cookie.
Yeah, you're just misinformed, brother.
Fucking coconut fan.
You're just misinformed, brother. Let's see. Yeah. It just has chocolate. I'm not sure if it's milk. The consistency of the Beverly Hills cookie is really good.
Yeah.
I think the texture is fucking fire.
Yeah, low key.
I think a tiny bit too much.
I prefer the snickerdoodle though.
That's the best one I make.
Nine out of 10.
9 out of 10. I give it 8.2. The chocolate chip. The snickerdoodle, easily a 9. The snickerdoodle is a fucking amazing cookie. But yeah, today I'm giving Beverly Hills cookie 8.2 out of 10.
I'd agree with that.
Wait till you stop recording and finish what I'm saying. Where can we stop for it?
That picks up quick, you know, fucking hell.
Huh?
The Corvette picks up quick.
Bro, it's not even in Corsa. We haven't cut up because of the rain, bro, but last here when it's sunny. Don't worry.
I still fuck with it now.
Arguable. Like, I feel like this is like Paris if they like made the streets really, really tight and cleaned them up.
Yeah, low key. Obviously capital, but that's mandatory.
That's us, nigga. It's us.
Oh, and then Chrome.
That's the brand I'm on.
You got so much of it, right?
Nah, not even, bro. They sold all my hats. I think I have like 3 sweaters.
I think it's because Chrome
Sold
sold
my pants.
Did you? Oh, the carpenter one.
Yeah.
How much sell them for?
55.
How much you pay for?
42. Uzi's homie bought them.
Really?
traded like a fuck ton of St. Michael shit, and what else did he trade? He traded like shit that was worth way more than the pants. Cool stuff.
Yeah, Chrome's so hard to get in London, which is why I'm like, whenever I come to the
at the
States,
store?
I just try it. Yeah, I still have nothing.
Oh yeah.
It's because the fucking East Asians, bro. All the Chinese, the Koreans, the Russians, they fly over and they just buy everything.
Yeah. And also that's another reason, bro. Like the wrong.
I was here yesterday, as you saw in the vlog, with Shek, but that was during the night, and I wanted to see what it's like during the day. There's a Go Yard store here, which I almost don't want to go, because I know if I go there I end up buying something, but the store looks pretty cool. But it's quite funny, loads of people are vlogging. There's like, everyone's got cameras out and they're just filming themselves and fucking, so I don't feel like such an idiot. But when I do this in London, it's just, yeah, I get really self-conscious, but it's just normal here, so.
I'm in London, got my beef from London. Yeah, cause I got past on me. Shawty got past on me. She look like Shalina. She look like Shalina. I fucking that bitch out of time. She said, I'm all in her dream. I'm out here dream. I'm a drug fiend. And I been popping this shit since high school. And I been popping this shit since high school. And I been popping this shit since high school. And I been popping this shit since high school. 150, 200.
The layout of the store is actually quite sick. It has, looks like an old, like food market, and then as you go in, as you saw, it has like food and stuff. Upstairs it has like clothes and it has food and stuff, which is actually pretty sick. I like the layout of the store. This layout of the store is quite sick. The layout of the store is actually quite sick. Oh, there you go, bro. Look, upstairs they have.
Yeah, try to go play like. Nigga get fucked by B. Nigga got hit in the street. Nigga get hit with a dick with a meat. Nigga get hit, yo. Nigga get hit with a motherfucker bleak. Nigga get hit, yo. I'm kidding beat right there in the seat. Nigga get hit, yo. Pussy nigga wanna be like, speak Wabi, this Chinese, tryna fuck on me, she tryna try me, I'm gonna fuck up the building, I'm gonna get on
I have a good contact at Ferrari. He can't do that.
She like Shalina. She like Shalina.
Go. You were talking about it. Beautiful. Are you getting S or S? I got the regular the T. Not the T. So if it's the regular one, S. This same car, check this out since I have it here.
Bro, are you seeing these fucking cars? Oh my days. Bro, I don't know what to say. They have a bakery?
niggas not playing on it. Hold on. I'm out of Highland, yeah. When they talking about, what the fuck they talking about? I this money, yeah, we not running out. I just practicing. Woke up feeling like a different mirror. Thinking, hello, what you talking about? We pull up a stick, yeah. Fuck what you talking about? I just practicing. Bitch, what you talking about? Bitch, I'm a different man. Hey, you talking about? Hey, niggas not even on care. Yo, niggas not even on sweat. Yo, niggas not even popping tags. Hold on, niggas not even spinning reds. Tryna be like Cat. We might fall out, we got all them bands. We can't fall out, we got all that cash. We gon' burn out, we got all them gas. We gon' wreck some. Yeah, I might take some.
I was thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up them right, get your folks out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. So nigga won't talk out the side of his neck. I just let it be him come and swallow. You pick the fight and no way you can run from a nigga, cause we going at it. I know some nigga locked up in the dungeon and said it feel me like a family. I know you heard I've been putting up pressing these niggas who claim not ready. I'm in all on the yacht with my motherfucking shirt off, look at it, my whole body tatted. Got the T-Rex automatic. No, I ain't south to Atlantic. Bulletproof truck and it's medic. Ain't taking shit else for granted. All this shit cost, it ain't nothing for free in the streets, so yeah.
Got some money on all of my co-defendants, they keeping it church. Got some baddies that follow my lead, they wanna go back to the party. Got my eyes on this one little heat, I'm calling that baddie Sahara. And I came up serving a pop star junkie, the Chico, the bar. Chinese money be calling my phone, I answer that they ain't how. Luxury tour, start the Porsche, marble floors. Pop the cork, count some more, diamond toe.